It begins with a single seedling, with 3 simple requirements to grow: sunlight, water, and nutrients from the soil. Each year, JDI plants up to 30 million trees of several species to match the correct site and conditions of the land. Sometimes the competition for sunlight, water, and soil nutrients can be challenging.
You can see that there's a spruce tree growing down here, and the spruce tree is competing for sunlight and nutrients in the soil.
To give the seedlings we plant the best chance to grow, herbicide is used early in their life cycle to prevent fast-growing raspberry from overcoming the young seedlings and blocking the sun that they require to grow. Most planted stands receive only 1 herbicide treatment every half-century, and less than 1% of JDI's land base is treated in any given year. Independent studies of herbicide use have shown increased survival rates and improved growth.
It's hard to believe this is a 16-year-old tree.
This 16-year-old tree was planted the same day as this tree, about 50 feet away. The only difference for the head start is 1 single treatment of herbicide when the tree was a young seedling.
And as a result, you can see these trees got ahead. They were able to capture the soil nutrients and moisture and sunlight, and they're growing very well. At the same time, there's lots of other diversity in the stand.
Helping the seedlings grow into healthy forests sustains jobs and communities. The herbicide JDI uses is commonly used by farmers on food crops. It is recommended safe for use by local, national, and international regulators. Most of our herbicide spraying is done by helicopter or small aircraft during very weather-specific conditions. Our team is well-trained, certified, and fully licensed using onboard GPS navigation. In the end, 1 herbicide treatment in 50 years is just one of the many tools JDI foresters use to sustain a healthy, growing forest for the future.
We've got a mixed planting of white spruce and white pine, and that's in this general area. A little bit further behind, there's a component of red spruce that has been planted as well. And as well, you can see there's a fair bit of natural regeneration that's coming in on the site as well. There's some spruce and a component of hardwood here. This site has been treated to hold the raspberry and the brush down while the trees have been planted. Overall, this is pretty typical of what we would see.
It begins with a single seedling. And by investing in that seedling throughout its life, JDI foresters ensure a healthy, sustainable forest for the environment, our communities, and the economy.